Alright, we made it. We're at the crib. I got my dog Kike in the house. Come here, Kike. The dog. The beer game, baby. Beer game.
I'm gonna disappear. Try to find me.
We got Shay, aka Shamela. Shamela.
You want bananas?
We got Lincoln with the fresh cut. Oh, not the wine cooler.
You're dirty.
Got here. Okay. Got a Paso Robles red wine. It's a blend. Pinot Grigio. And Cabernet Sauvignon 2017. So we're here. We're gonna go right now, hit up some food truck. I'm gonna take you with us. So stay tuned. It's gonna be a nice little 4th of July weekend. It's kind of like a tradition if you think of it. Like every 4th of July we go somewhere. And we always ride with Kike and Shay too. They're always riding with us. It's kind of like a 4th of July tradition. This time around we're gonna have a special guest. We're gonna have my boy Weezy F Bad, aka Adis. Most of you know who he is. It's one of my boys from since elementary school. But yeah, she's already cleaning.
Washing Zane's bottle.
She got problems, I swear.
It's Zane's bottle.
All right, and man, me and Kike gonna take a shot. You ready, Kike? What we got? We taking Hennessy? Let's do it. Hold up. Cheers. Nice.
1 hour later.
We have not eaten anything all day, and we came to World of Food Trucks, and look at all these food trucks that we can pick from to eat some delicious food. There's a Puerto Rican one, there's a Dominican one. I don't know what this is. Like a barbecue one. Oh, look at this. This is seriously a world of food trucks. Look at this, guys. Alright guys, you remember our last video?
He's got a cachapa.
It's huge, bro.
Got a cachapa? Yeah. This is what it is.
Zane is waiting for his food. As you see. Excuse me, ma'am, are you vaccinated?
Yeah. You're waiting for your food?
Enrique, say hi.
What up? Alrighty. So I'll say the food truck was a success. We got some brisket with some fries and some sausage. We got some coconut fried shrimp. Bandeja paisa, Colombian. Chicharrón with yuca. Some empanadas. We got a little mix going on here. We got Latin America and American barbecue. And some mac and cheese.
12 o'clock midnight.
What's going on? What's going on, animals? Couldn't wait, huh?
That was deep, bro.
What you said, Lennox? What?
Who's sending it?
You're an animal.
No, what?
No, you're the animal.
You're an animal.
What
You
kind?
eat like jellyfish.
Like a junkfish?
Yes. I got it. Cool.
Day 2.
Alright guys, day two. I just finished drinking some breakfast. Made some scrambled eggs with green red peppers, some cheese, some bacon, some pancakes, some Cuban toast with butter.
Alright guys, they're prepping for the chicken fight.
Alright, chicken.
Okay, we got coop number 1 is Liam. Coop number 2 is Lennox. And coop number 3 is Mason.
Why is this number 1?
Because the chicken
That's not even fair! That was fast! Dang, seriously?
2 hours later.
Liam! Yay!
Hold it underneath so your hands are not. So it looks like he's like lounging.
Okay, go. Recording.
Picture of him? Take a picture and then...
Mama, whichever one is like ice or ice in it.
Oh!
No, están usando.
They're all coming, look!
Pashagada! Pashagada! You're lounging, huh?
Look, take a video of him. The crew is coming.
Let's go.
The crew.
We got the gang. We got the squad. We got Wheezy. Sophie over there back there. What's up, Lennox?
Look at him smiling. He's having fun.
What's up, Mama Bear?
I haven't even gone on my own.
What's up? We're out here chilling, guys. Happy 4th of July. For everybody out there watching us, we love ya.
Hi guys! So we're in the lazy river with baby Z, his first time at the water park. Say hi, baby Z!
What's up?
He's behaving so well. We're so proud of him.
Yo, Mason!
Zane, I'm back in the lazy river. He's loving it. He's having a blast. Alright guys, we are going to give you a little tour of the park. here at Disney Springs on our way to dinner. You need a pee? We're in the Lime Garage, so we don't forget. I didn't make it. Doesn't matter. Let's change back into the for dinner. Made it to our destination. Paddlefish.
So, guys,
Table ready?
we got our little private dining room. Thank you, Zane.
Thank you, Zane. Nice little table set. Bro.
What up with our family?
What's up, Bobby? What's up, champ?
It's looking lovely. And what's your name? Arian? And we got compliments of Arian. Alright guys, if I may, cheers for a nice weekend. Making memories for the kids and friendship. Wishing everybody health and wealth. Health and wealth. Cheers, cheers. Cheers, Liam. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Crab guacamole. Alright, so we got Mama. She got some nice scallops. Papa got some king crab. What we got here? What's this?
Stuffed cod.
Stuffed cod. You know, Kika likes that. Got a BOT for Sophia. Some fries. King crab.
I'm gonna make something cool.
From adult Wheezy. Got some pasta Alfredo over here, sure. Oh, you fancy, huh? You fancy, Lennox. You got the boy?
Papa Bear with baby Z. Beautiful view from up here, guys. This is Disney Springs. Oh, we just missed the volcano erupting. The T-Rex Cafe.
Hi guys, I'm by myself closing out the video. And we came home late today from Orlando, so my parents are busy unpacking. And shout out to Tia Alma for dog sitting Emma for the week. And I hope you guys had a great 4th of July weekend with us. And do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Peace. Say bye.